Has this ever happened to you? You're sitting in class, and then there's that one kid that just won't shut up. What are you supposed to do? Do you punch him?
Qualcomm punch!
Do you choke him? Do you suplex him? Do you throw him in the trash can? No, because those will get you suspended. When instead, you could use No Annoying Noise. No Annoying Noise is super easy to use. All you have to do is open it up, punch in their ID number, close it, hit the on button, and boom, they can't talk. But don't take my word for it. Listen to these totally non-paid customers.
The No Annoying Noise works perfectly. I can actually think in class now.
It is very useful. I can actually do my work now.
I use this product. It's decent.
This product sucks. This product is good. Where's my money? There's my money. Thank you.
No Annoying Noise.
This product may cause brain damage to anyone who uses it. The mute only lasts 13 and a half minutes. This product almost never actually works. Nobody has tested this product to make sure it doesn't blow up when you press the on button. The off button doesn't do anything. You cannot sue us.